What's the difference between ACoS and TACoS? Which first? So basically ACoS is your ad spend divided to your ad sales, and it's going to show your campaign or keyword efficiency. TACoS is going to be your ad spend divided to your total sales, and this is going to show you your business health ad dependency. Now, really important, ACoS and TACoS, especially if you are running a product launch, they can be very close to each other, even if sometimes even the same thing, right? So it can be a 50% TACoS, even to like whatever is going on your account, and it can be super high ACoS, and that's totally cool. Where we want to go is making sure that we are lowering the TACoS as much as possible for us to be profitable. Else to like between the two, ACoS and TACoS, day-to-day bid cuts, this is going to be ACoS based because we don't have access to TACoS. We're not bidding because of TACoS. It's influenced by so many things that we do not control on the ad side. So whenever we are going to, let's say, cut bids, in this scenario, we are going to do it on TACoS based. Now, when it comes down to account goal, that is TACoS based. And TACoS based, basically there, what you can do is how much do you want to depend on ads or not? And or how can you improve your conversion to still depend on ads but convert better. So that's really important. That is a good way how to improve TACoS. Really important, failing ACoS and rising TACoS can mean organic is ranking, and this is really important because what I see so many ad managers celebrate is that they manage to lower their ACoS, and they're showing you the ACoS because that is a PPC metric. They would not show your TACoS. Now, really important when it comes down to efficiency. Yes, while that can show ad efficiency, it can overall show that your organic ranking is dying. So do not celebrate just yet. When it comes down to launches, because these two are going to be very important, TACoS is going to be very high. Usually here we would tolerate both higher TACoS and ACoS. This is a planned bet. This is what we're planning for. That means that our advertising efforts work. Now, the next step is going to be how do we make sure that we're converting better and or cheaper, and even both, right? Something else that comes down to this topic as well, mature brands, when it comes down to ACoS and TACoS, usually they are going to win on TACoS trend, not on the pretty campaign ACoS. There are so many posts that are like, these campaigns are so pretty when it comes down to ACoS, but it's going to be on a TACoS level. Here again, some examples. Whenever we're doing ad account audits, we are interested to see what is their current TACoS, because that is, if that is too low, say they're 5% TACoS, that means there's still so much room for us to spend more on advertising that is going to work for them. So just because they have a low TACoS, that is not necessarily something that we should be celebrating just yet. Instead, let's bump up TACoS. We're still profitable, but making sure that they are creating new ads so they can win more market share.